Do you write articles for a blog or newspaper? Do you need to write a short biography of a famous person? Or a short essay on any subject? Are you a TikToker who produces listicles? Maybe you produce recipe, travel, or fitness articles. TextBuddy can write all these types of articles in minutes with minimal input from you and save you hours of work. Do you want to write an article for a blog or newspaper? Perhaps you want to write an editorial. Enter your own summary of events or use a summary generated by TextBuddy. Alternatively, you can copy and paste an article from a news agency. In one step, TextBuddy will write the article in just a few minutes. Do you write articles to review a product or a service? Enter a summary of the aspects you liked and disliked. Click the review button, and in just a few moments, TextBuddy will write a review article. Would you like to write a short biography or an essay? TextBuddy will also write an article suitable for a short biography if you just type the name of a public figure. If you enter a subject, TextBuddy will write a short essay. You can break the subject into subcategories and string many short essays together into a larger essay. Are you a TikToker who creates lists? Just enter a theme, and TextBuddy will write a listicle in just a few minutes. TextBuddy can write a recipe article in a flash. Just enter some ingredients and a cuisine, and then click the recipe button. If you enter a travel destination, TextBuddy will write a travel article in minutes. And if you enter a fitness goal, TextBuddy will write a fitness article. Write a wide variety of articles in minutes with TextBuddy.